Oh, goal is done by Messi. Messi ball is passed by Alvarez and finally done. Goal done by Messi. This is the magic moment of Messi, or this is the magic power of Messi. Finally, on goal done this match by Messi. For the box leader, do you know this is the last match of Messi in Argentina? Yes, Mira bhai, I know. Super hit by Lautaro Martinez and done finally. Goal by Lautaro Martinez. Oh, magic hit and magic goal by Lautaro Martinez. Argentina 2 and Venezuela 0. Finally 2 goals done by Messi. 2 goals done by Messi. Super moment for Messi. Lautaro Messi, Ankara Messi. Super pass and finally clear the ball by Almada and done by goal by Messi. Ball pass by Almada and kick by Messi, and Messi done finally 2 goals in this match. This is the best moment and best match for Messi in Argentina. Best of luck, Messi.